Do you want to make some dog treats? Sorry, friend. Steam or microwave your pumpkin first. Seriously? Peel your skins. Half a cup of mashed pumpkin. Half a cup of shredded carrots. A half a cup of whole wheat flour. A teaspoon of baking powder. Half a teaspoon of cinnamon. A tablespoon of peanut butter. Seriously, ate the whole chunk? Oh my gosh. Now I have to put in another one. Leave this one for the recipe. A quarter cup of Greek yogurt and 1 egg. Mix well. You're gonna love this, Cooper. Spoon into mini muffin tins or onto a cookie sheet. Bake at about 350 for about 40 minutes, depending on what you've used to put them in. They'll be ready soon, trust me. While they're baking, Cooper, let's make some icing for them. Half a cup of Greek yogurt, about a quarter cup of peanut butter. And now we have our icing all ready for our pupcakes. And now they're baked and cooled and iced. And now it's time to enjoy. I think he likes it.